Hi, Rob here. Let's chat a little bit about what we're wearing on our legs in the mountains. So, kind of three main layers to start with. You got your base layers, soft shells, and hard shells. Base layers, these are your next to skin, also called long johns. Often bring two of different weights, a lighter one and a heavier one. These you put on in the morning, you got to keep them on all day until the end of the day and you're back in camp. Soft shells. Soft shells here, I've got two different weights. I've got a lightweight soft shell and a heavier weight soft shell. Depending on the temperature of the climb I'm going for, I'll choose the appropriate one. The job of these guys is to block the wind and the precip a little bit and go ahead and keep my legs happy. Generally, this is the layer that I'm living in throughout an expedition. Final leg layer is going to be your hard shell bottoms. So these I put on when it's super windy or if it's actually raining on me. They add a bit of warmth too, so that's pretty nice. Key point for all mountaineering hard shell bottoms is they need to be able to unzip fully. So these full zip pants can open up the legs all the way up to the waist. And that allows you to put them on over boots and crampons. If I've got mountain boots and crampons on and I try and put on a normal pair of hard shells that only zips on the ankle, I'm gonna end up sticking my crampons straight through it. So you need to be able to, in the field, take this thing out, put it on, without ever taking off your boots and crampons. Once you got them on, they zip up and work just like a normal rain pant. I never leave home without these on any climbing trip. These are too important to leave behind.